This is class 9 and the subject is English speaking. This is going to be our lecture number 3. Today we are going to cover the following topics. Number first, meaning of some phrases will be told with the help of their examples. Then idioms shall be told. Vocabulary words shall also be included. Then some incorrect and correct sentences shall be told, and then at last pronunciation of some words which are commonly used shall be told. Now we shall begin with meanings of some phrases. Number 1 is whistleblower. I repeat, whistleblower. Its meaning, a person who tells an authority about something illegal that is happening, especially in a business or government. I repeat, a person who tells an authority about something illegal that is happening, especially in a business or government. For example, John was a whistleblower. He told the media that his company was selling defective printers. Next phrase, better late than never. I repeat, better late than never. Its meaning, it is better for someone to do something late than to not do it at all. I repeat, it is better for someone to do something late than to not do it at all. For example, after 2 years of planning, I am finally going to Sikkim. Well, better late than never. Next phrase, rest assured. To be sure that something will happen. I repeat, the meaning of rest assured phrase. To be sure that something will happen. Note, it is used to make someone feel safe or less worried about something. For example, you can rest assured that the product contains no impurities. Now, we are going to begin with idioms. Number 1. Water under the bridge. Its meaning, problems someone had in the past that they don't worry about now because they happened long ago. Let me tell you the meaning of the idiom water under the bridge again. Let me tell you this again. Problems someone had in the past that they don't worry about now. Why? Because they happened long ago. For example, there is no point talking about it. It's water under the bridge now. Next idiom, green pastures. I repeat, green pastures. A new and better place, job or activity that is interesting and has new opportunities. I repeat the meaning of the idiom green pastures. A new and better place, job or activity that is interesting and has new opportunities. For example, she has decided to leave the country for green pastures. It means she has decided to leave the country for better place, job or activity which she might have found interesting in the next or in the new country. Next idiom, bite your tongue. It means to stop yourself from saying something. I repeat the meaning of idiom bite your tongue. To stop yourself from saying something. For example, I was going to say something bad to him, but I had to bite my tongue. Now we shall begin with some vocabulary words or the new words. Number 1, freeloader. This is a noun. It means a person who uses money, food, place to stay, etc. for free and offers nothing in exchange. I repeat, the meaning of freeloader, that is a person who uses money, food, place to stay, etc. for free and offers nothing in exchange. For example, my roommate is such a freeloader. I offered him a big mug of coffee once and she has been drinking all my coffee from the kitchen since then. It means she is not offering anything in exchange and she has been taking that coffee in free for a long time. Next is cornerstone. This is a noun. This means something of great importance that everything else depends on. I repeat the meaning of the word cornerstone. This means something of great importance that everything else depends on. For example, she was the cornerstone of my well-being. Next is acquaintance. ACQUAINTANCE, acquaintance. It is a noun. Acquaintance means a person that you have met but you don't know well and who is not exactly a friend. For example, Camille is not a friend but an acquaintance. Now, we are going to begin with some common errors that we commit in sentences by speaking or writing. First of all, I shall tell you the incorrect sentences. Number 1, for what you are here? Do you have free time? I'm going to home now. I did it by my own. Correct sentences. What are you here for? In place of for what you are here, what are you here for? Do you have free time? In place of this, we can say, are you free? I'm going to home now. In place of this, it should be, I'm going home now. I did it by my own. In place of this, it should be, I did it on my own. Now, pronunciation of some commonly used words. Generally, people say pizza, but it is not pizza or pizza. It is pizza. It is pizza. Generally, people say Wednesday. It is not Wednesday. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Generally, people call it data, D-A-T-A, data, but it is not data, it is data. It is data. Next, this is not violet, it is violet. It is violet, not violet, it is violet. Hope you all are improving your pronunciation, the mistakes you commonly do while speaking or writing. Hope you are improving on that. You are working on that with the video which I am sharing with you. Now, it is time to assign you homework. You need to prepare a speech of 1 minute on the topic media. On Wednesday means on the date 19th May. Whenever you watch the video, please keep the date in your mind. 19th May, there will be a speech on the topic media. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching it patiently and carefully. Thank you.